Okay, this is a very, very simple introduction to SearchTriggers, how you can get started with it right away. And let me explain the user interface. So completely for free, you can go in. Let's say we were going to start again with handbags. Handbag for sale. Okay, so now I'm going to do handbags for sale, and I just run it. This is the completely free version, and you can see that online, Kansas City, on eBay, Los Angeles, China, Amazon, and eBay. Okay, well, which of these would I want to write a blog post about? Well, first of all, you probably wouldn't want to write a blog post about handbags for sale. You would probably want to write about Italian handbags. So let's take a look, and you see how quick it is. Italian handbags designers list. Okay? So, and you can see that both Google and Bing agree on Italian handbags designers. So I would want to write about the best Italian handbags designers. Okay? So now I can go in here and notice this is completely free. I did not use any points. Okay? Now if I wanted to find out about the number of pages, what you do is you uncheck the quick box and you run the tool. And you can see there's only 3 pages, 3 competing pages with the exact. Now if I uncheck the exact, you'll see the page count will go up. You see that? Now why is that the case? Okay, a lot of people who are starting out with SEO don't understand this distinction, and let me explain where this comes from. If I go to Google and I start typing handbags designers, okay, you'll see that, oh my God, they used to give you 5, now they only give you 3. Okay, there's these little phrases that come in here that start suggesting stuff. Now if I go to Bing and I start typing in handbags designers, you can see handbags designers list shows up, handbags designer, and I could see handbag designer. And if I do Italian handbags designers, it shows up in these little searches. Okay, so what SearchTriggers does is it finds that information for you and organizes it so that you can look at how many. See, now you can do it on the related searches. You see this related searches right here? Famous Italian handbag designers. Okay? So if I go to famous handbag designers and I run a search, okay, you'll see 1.1, 2 million, 5 million. I mean, it's crazy, okay? You have to go exact. You can see if what exact means is it puts it in the quotes. So if I go to famous Italian handbag designers, you'll see it's the same value, 17 million results. But see, if I put this in quotation marks, what it's looking for is the phrase. Okay? And then there's 34 results. Do you really want to compete against 17 million pages or even 1 million pages? No. But what SearchTriggers does is it helps you figure out the phrase in quotes so that you can at least have a chance of getting some traffic under the phrase. If you can't rank your blog post in the search engines in quotes, you'll never rank it without the quotes. Let me say that again. If you're not able to rank your blog post with quotes, you will never be able to rank it without quotes. So the first thing you want to do is rank it with the quotes. Does that make sense? Okay.
Yes.
So the quotation marks is very, very important. Okay. So one of the things you can do is you can go back to SearchTriggers, and I'll give you a little secret here. Okay. This is basic user interface. So now we're going to go back and we go exact, and we run it again, and we get the numbers, a more reasonable amount of competitors. So I have a famous Italian handbag designers, famous Italian purse designers, famous Italian. So you can sort by pages by clicking on the column. You can sort by Google rating or Bing rating. Now, a lot of people ask me, what's the rating? The rating is a bar in diminishing length, showing you which of these is more relevant to Google. So popular Italian handbag designers is more popular with Google than famous Italian purse designers. And famous Italian handbag brands is less popular than designers. Now, the popularity rating is more related to what people are actually typing in the box. Now, you have to understand how Google organizes its information and how Bing organizes its information. Guys, Google is in the advertising business, in case you have not realized that. Okay? They build lots of free stuff to build trust and loyalty, and under the law of reciprocity, you will want to buy advertising from Google because of all you've gotten for free from them. That's how they make their money. Okay? So if you're an advertiser, it doesn't matter if you're trying to advertise handbag designers, popular, famous, or whatever. Google interprets this phrase into what's called an ad group, and then that ad group gets bid against by all the other people who are competing for that. And so if I click here on the bar itself, what I will see is Gucci, Shop 411, Tuscany Leather, Pronto, Italy handbags. All these things right here are advertisements. This right here is also an advertisement. I can go back to Bing and I can click on the bar and it will bring up a Bing search. And you'll see here they have Hermes, they have Designers in Points, they have, Zappos. Okay. And now look at that. They're starting to add Twitter integration into Bing. And now Bing is joint venturing with Facebook and working with Twitter, and they're integrating everybody because they're open. Does that make sense? So if you want to rank high in Google, you use Bing. If you want to rank high in Bing, you use Google. It's one of my secrets. And you guys are getting this as a bonus because you guys are here and you're still watching. Okay? So please write some comments about what you're seeing here. Like, great, thank you. Wow, I completely understand SearchTriggers now, why you invented this tool.
I want to thank you very, very much, Vic, for your help, because tonight I have learned about topics that I never heard before, and I have got so many haha moments for this hangout, because I'm quite a newbie in the field of keywords, SEO, and so on. So I want to make a big thanks to you, and I'm looking forward to use SearchTrigger for my business.